this is our community center, and this is our staff in the car. It's a beautiful venue, and everybody is setting up the display of the art crafts and materials. Very professional one. And the problem is we forgot our tables, extra table. So all the stuff I took, I'm not gonna use it, but it's okay. I mean, it's okay. So now I'm gonna put my stuff on this table. I like this place. It's cozy. We have actually DJ here just besides us, and we have a lot of different vendors. Very nice. And the organizer was very kind and gave us extra tables. So now I have all my, not all, but I mean paintings, and this is my earrings. So this is my presentation, and I think I have a lot. So I put my new earrings and new pendants here. This was made just recently. I have some crafts, my painting stones, of course, acrylic paint, yeah, some oil, some acrylic, and here, of course, this one is very good album because it gives idea what I'm doing, and people like to see. People like to see what I'm doing. Very good catalog. The same with earrings. I'll show you later. So we are ready. We are ready to start, and I'm very happy. I'm very happy. It's a new experience. I've never been in this kind of events. And later I will go through rows and check what people have. Lady in green, it's my helper, my friend. So she helped me to set up. So it took us 30 minutes to set up entire like collection. Oh, hi. It's organizer of this event. Today is September the 3rd, 2023, and I'm at Autumn Market in Port Perry, and the event was organized by French Luxury Social Events and Little Shopper Treasures. And we are in Port Perry Recreation Center, and as you can see, everybody already set up the tables. I don't know how many, approximately, I guess 30 at least. And we have DJ, and we're gonna have free food here. And my husband and my friend went to get some coffee. So people start coming, and I'm finishing my coffee. The people start coming, but I heard that there's another big event here in Port Perry, so we are competitors. But for me, first of all, it's experience, and I'm glad that they came here. I know how it looks. I know how much time do I need to present, to set up the table and all other things. So actually, I'm happy. So my helpers have some rest, enjoying, looking through my album of jewelry. It's a very good tool to promote your jewelry and other stuff. And I have another one for my paintings. Yeah. Here we have nails. Oh wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah, the company that makes nails. And this is a very beautiful knitted stuff. I love it. It's a beautiful stuff. There's another artist, Alicia Mendes. And here we have the kingdom of marshmallows and other truffles. Oh, it's so sweet. It's so delicious. And this is for doggy. Everything natural.
Tulsi, it's Ayurvedic. It's been there for ancient times, and it's been used in a lot.
Underprivileged communities, we buy grocery cards for underprivileged.
Done for today. Great experience, but I'm very tired. On our way back, we got to our favorite farm store with very delicious food and beautiful flowers, and it's a very nice place. What a beauty! What a beauty! Şurayı says. Been said, please tell everyone that these are my favorite flowers. Actually, they're beautiful.